Now friends, let's create a practical number 2, which is we have to design a login form using some CSS as well as some div tag. So I'm just creating an application which will be my web application. Selecting web application, ASP.NET web applications. And one more thing, we have to use some server-side control as well. So this is my practical number 2. So this will be my web application. So I'm selecting an empty application. Okay. So you'll find here there is no default page is available, so you can create a new ASPX page. So this is a right click, add new item. So you'll find a web form. I'm just giving the web form name as login.aspx. So this is my default structure. Let's give the title login to MIT. Now here let's divide the entire page into different sections. First will be my header, there will be left side, one center, then one right side and one footer. So I require 5 divs. So I'll take a div tag. Let's give this ID as div header. My first div, second, third, fourth, fifth. This is my left div. This is my center div. This is my right div. And this is my, let's say, footer. So my form tag will be here in center div. And here you can take your controls such as text box controls. So you can identify your controls from the standard controls which is available in the toolbox. So let's take a text box control which will be here. So click on it, you'll find this text box, change its name to txt, username, provide placeholder which is equals to enter username. Similarly, just take the second text box with, now you can have br, this will be enter password, but here one more thing is required, text mode, because we need to have some special character words for it. It should be password. This will be my txt password. So here we are simply designing a form, a login page, and we need to have one button also. So I'm taking a button control. This will again be a standard button control. So you'll find what is the difference between a normal controls and the standard controls. So here we have an ASP colon with the text control as well as run at equals to server. So these are my server controls. The button, change the text value for it, just give this is login and change its ID to btn login. Format it properly, right click, format selection. Now for each of this head divs you can have something, let's say you can have some header, welcome to MIT. Now you can provide different styles for each of these divs. So what we want, what is expected, first one should be a full header, second one should be a left side, then we have a center, big center, and right div and right and the footer section. So let's add the CSS for the same file. So add style sheet. So I'm giving the style sheet name, let's say my CSS. So I'm not providing anything to body, but instead of that I'm providing the style for my div header. So some of the important properties like float, we are assigning the value to left. Then we need to have width. Width should be 100%. Then must have some height, should be, let's say, 40%. Then we must set some colors, background color. Let's give some display. Similarly, for the left div, you can have some styles. So I'm giving for the left div float width. Now here width will be divided. We are dividing 100% into 3 sections. So first, let's give this width as 30%. Height will be, let's say, 500 px. Background color, if you want, you can change the background color. Now for the right div, we'll have, for the left center div, we'll have 40%. Height will be same. Let's change the background color to something else. Okay. Now let's change the div for the right one. So this is my right div. So here width will be now 30%. So this is 30, 40, 30. This is 100% you divided. Height will be same. You can change it to aquamarine. Okay. Now the last div is my div footer. So you can have properties. Width you have to do 100%. Height you can give 100 px. Background color you can give, let's say, black. Now on this page we need to just attach that CSS. So just drag it in the header section. So link will be there. Now let's see the execution of this page. View in browser. How your page looks like with the different sections. So your page looks like this. So we need to just change the percentages. So this height will be, let's give this height to header height should be, let's say, 100 px. So we find this is there. So this is a design page. You can have some more changes. For example, this should be somewhere in the center. So you can set the properties here. For example, padding, top, say 2 em. So here this will be just moved a little bit to the down. So you can set height of the center to be 450. So based on your, now here this again requires left padding. Or you can have one more thing, for div center you can assign the style align items center. So it's not coming actually. So div center you can have alignment div center you can give in login ASPX. For the div you can have some style equals to align contents. So this is the center alignment. Now this header, if you want it in the center, so again you need to provide a center tag over here. This is center alignment. So this is just a design of the login page with the usage of div tags as well as the CSS. That's it. Thank you.